The first foldable iPhone could have a design heavily inspired by Huawei, according to Jeff Pu, one of the most popular analysts on everything related to Apple. The foldable iPhone will have an external foldable screen, meaning it won't adopt a dual-screen design like most foldables today. Instead, it will adopt a design very similar to what we saw with the Huawei Mate XS, where the screen wraps around the entire body of the device. If you want more space, you simply unfold the device, and the same screen will increase in size. This is because it is actually a single screen that just turns off half of its panel to appear as the back cover, and when unfolded, the entire screen lights up. According to Jeff Pu, this foldable iPhone could be released in 2026 and would have a 7.9-inch screen, although he did not venture to say whether it will be a vertical or horizontal foldable. This type of design helps the screen avoid a bend it would experience when it is on the inside, but on the other hand, it leaves the screen more exposed to any impact, scratch, or damage that could be caused. So it has its pros and cons, but the truth is that Huawei did not continue using this design and opted to switch to an internal foldable screen design with a flat external screen. But despite Jeff Pu not daring to say whether it was a horizontal or vertical foldable, he did make an explicit reference to the Huawei Mate XS that I just mentioned. So it is highly likely that the first foldable iPhone will have a horizontal format to compete head-to-head with the Galaxy Z Fold available at that time. Remember that there is also talk that Apple might be preparing a MacBook with a foldable screen, which could also be an iPad with a foldable screen that transforms into a MacBook. This is still not very clear because it is abundantly clear that Apple will also definitely need to work on the software to fully take advantage of being a foldable screen technology, which Apple will absolutely surely do very well, but let's wait, because remember that Apple is quite slow as well.